nomás.
Ponte los wheels.
Ahí están, new wheels on the trailer.
Raceline wheels, guys. Yes, sir. Pala Mamalona, the one that's been taking our trucks up to every show, slapping them on. Mira que el vato. Guys, welcome back to the vlog. Your boy Juan from Trokiando, and we're here at the tire shop here in Dayton, Texas. We're actually swapping out the wheels, like I said, on the trailer because we want this trailer looking A1, pulling these trucks. And as a matter of fact, we're actually going to Tacos Y Trokas this weekend.
Yes, sir. We'll be out there this weekend. See what we can do out there.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's only 12-hour drive, so it's not too bad. We've done it before. We actually gone to Atlanta Truck Invasion, and this one's actually a little bit more south. It's still in Georgia, but it's a little bit more south of Georgia. So we're gonna make the drive out there, take Draco, take the OG, and we're taking Tacos 6, which is right on that side over there. And like I said, guys, we want this trailer looking A1, pulling these trucks. That's what we're here to do today.
It's gonna be a busy day. Got a lot of cleaning. Do things to do.
Yes, sir. And we also gotta change the tires on Draco. I got them in the back of Tacos 6 because last time, if you guys didn't see the video, we went to Texas Truck Invasion and we lit them up. We did a little smoke show out there. Y no quedó nada de la llanta. Mira. Nada. It was a good time. I'll put a video up here so you guys can check that out. But yeah, guys, it was a good time. It was a good time over there. So we gotta get those tires fixed up. The front ones are good, so we're good on that one. And the OG is good. But these are the wheels that we're swapping them out with. Ahorita, I'll show you guys how the new wheels look. But this is what it has on right now, just some black steel wheels. And we're gonna be doing some race lines on them. Something similar to what we done before on our trailer, on our enclosed trailer. But of course, some 8 lugs para que aguanten más el peso. Sheesh. OG looking fresh. Looking really fresh. Yeah, we came out here, guys, Dayton, Texas. It's a tire shop called Bronco's Tire Shop. That's what it's called?
Yeah, Bronco's Tire Shop. Here in Dayton, Texas.
Dayton, Texas. They ain't swapped out, guys. And guys, also, by the way, huge shout out to El Cuz and his hot shot business, J.S. Silva's Trucking. They're the ones that have been taking these trucks to every show. We went to what? We went to Atlanta Truck Invasion, Ennis, Fort Worth, and now we're going back to Georgia. He's been taking our trucks over there. He doesn't just transport trucks, he also does other things like equipment, cargo.
All kinds of freight.
All kinds of freight.
Comes out.
All over the
all
states.
48 states.
All 48 states. So if you guys are looking to move something from point A to point B, make sure you hit him up. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. We'll put his phone number and his business card. If you guys wanna move anything from point A to point B, he'll get you taken care of. It's either gonna be on this trailer, or you got more, right?
I got more drivers.
You got what, like
about 4 drivers.
4 drivers?
4 more available.
Okay. Yeah. And they're all about this size trailers, right?
40-foot trailers.
40-foot trailers?
40 foot, yeah.
Okay, so nothing too small, too big. He'll be able to take care of vehicles, cargo, equipment, all of that. Other trailers, machinery.
Yeah, everything.
Yeah, so he'll get you taken care of, guys. Just let him know that you've seen him here on the YouTube channel, and he'll make sure he takes care of you guys to get your freight shipped from point A to point B. So let's get these wheels taken out and see how the trailer's gonna look with the new Raceline wheels. Vámonos. I wanna give you guys a quick reminder, Tacos 6 is up for grabs. Make sure you cop the drip, cop the merch at Trokiando.com, secure your entries, so one of you guys can be taken home as bad as the OBS or $20,000 in cash. Las llantas, we're putting those on Draco. So the ones that has on right now, they're bald. But yeah, guys, ahí está la OBS. Looking clean. Now remember, deadline is October 15th. So have to drip before then. No hay que bajar las trocas, ¿verdad? Nah. Si no, imagínate qué pedonón. Hey, you should have got the floaters.
Yeah.
Me quedaron con madre. Una lavadita, moroleada. Y listos. Now we're about to take off the ones from Draco. Well, I say we, but aquí the guys here, the team here is about to take them off. And while we're here waiting, se arrimó un chavo y me quería comprar la troca.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right now?
He's like, how much? Told me not for sale, bro, but you can win it. He said, nah, how do I do that? Ya le dije la información and he went online and he bought some stuff, so that's pretty cool. Llama un chingo la atención, ¿verdad?
Hell yeah. Clean.
Por eso la puse en la mera pasada.
Que taparte la entrada aquí.
Andamos estorbando, pero fuck it. Ahí va, guys. Ahí están los wheels. Just gotta take those off real quick. Hey, wait, ¿y eso? You can haul it too?
También.
Todo.
Todo lo que tenga wheels puede subirse solo.
Solo. A la madre. Está con madre la troquita esta low single cab Silverado short bed. Están chingonas. This is nice. I don't know whose it is, but this thing is looking fresh. And those mud tires too. This thing looks nice. I wish GM continued to make these little single cabs but V8s. Yeah, right now they started making them 4-cylinders and shit. So, you think we can patch it up and it'll be good?
I don't know, man. Maybe take a scraper and
Scrape it up.
scrape it up and put it back on the drag strip again, maybe.
Right? So 30 seconds of a burnout, that Shit. I'm actually surprised. Nomás aguantan 30 seconds las llantas, güey. Mira. Va a tener que dar una lavadita. A presión. Para que se mire que hace algo, ¿verdad? So I told him you're the one that liked the truck. You wanted to buy it.
Yeah, I'll buy that thing. Cash right now. What's up?
Good one, man.
I know it's a giveaway. It's a clean truck, dude. All the lines are good. I haven't looked under the hood yet. Let's open it up. Shoot. This is clean.
Stock as it can be.
How many miles are on this thing?
135.
And you're giving it away? I want to buy it right now. Cash money. Let's go. I'll give your whoever wins it. Come to me. I'll give you cash. Look at the welds, man.
5.7 drop, 20-inch welds.
And they're $295, 35/20s, baby. We got some meat on there.
Alright guys, so he liked the truck, he wanted to check it out, so I showed it to him real quick. If you guys catch us out on the road and you want to see it, let me know, man. We're out here waiting to get the tire swap, so we could do it. But he liked Draco, so we showed him Draco, and we showed him the OBS. Y ahí está. ¿A puro 120 o qué, cuz?
Yes, sir. What a Broncos, come on. Only here.
Looking at it right now. ¿Es él?
Yeah.
Which is nice. It's really nice. Is yours? ¿Sí? ¿Quieres tuya?
All color man.
Está con madre, güey. Está con madre. No, ahorita porque está muy caliente, raza. Yeah, guys. That guy wanted to buy the truck, and I told him no. Can't. The giveaway is going to one of you guys. Not for sale. Whoever wins it can sell it. Or if they decide to take the 20, then I'm gonna probably just keep it. Pero that's crazy. It's crazy. We're out here, they in Texas, and they just swing by to check it out.
Original, clean as fuck, bro. One of the best trucks out here for sure.
You like it?
Gotta enter the giveaway for sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I thought, guys, if you see this truck in person, you're definitely gonna want to enter it because this truck
Yeah.
is nice. This is really nice.
Paint everything.
Paint, the wheels,
Yeah,
the
everything.
suspension.
Yeah.
Más que todo el interior, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
I think it's super clean, super clean. Nomás no viene con la mochila, güey.
Nomás, en latina, yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
But nah, bro, appreciate it.
Yes, sir, bro.
Being
Appreciate you.
channel.
Yes, sir. Thank y'all. Thank
Yeah.
y'all for coming, showing love.
Ahí estamos. So we are back at the shop. We made it back after installing the tires, or the wheels and tires on the trailer. Now we gotta wash up TKO G6, and we actually already threw a little stamp on there to win this truck. Remember, guys, every $10 you spend equals 1 entry on Knowledge Drip on the website. But if you want to maximize your entries, you have to cop the TKO G6 merch. And that one actually gives you 30 times the entries. Now the shirt, which I'll put right here on the screen, that one's gonna give you 150 entries total. The decal, which also I'm gonna put here on the screen, will give you 90 entries total. Or if you get the giveaway bundle with those 2 items right there, that's a 700 entries total for a chance to win this truck right here, guys. So the bundle is the maximum multiplier for a chance to win this truck. If you want to get that, you can. If you want to get just the shirt, that's 150 entries. Or if you want to get the decal, that's 90. Any way you want to do it, guys, those 3 items right there give you the maximum possibilities of taking this truck home. So if I was you, I would get that bundle. That maximizes your entries, and you can either take this truck or $20,000. So ahí está la mamalona. We're getting this thing ready. Gotta give it a nice little wash. Está un poquito sucia. But we're gonna give it a nice little wash, make it look clean, and then we're gonna be loading it up on the enclosed trailer because we are headed to Adel, Georgia, to the South Georgia Motorsport Park. We're going out there for Tacos Y Trokas. By the time you guys are watching this video, we're already en route over there. So hopefully, if you guys are in the area or around the area, you go out there, swing by. You know, there's gonna be a car show, there's gonna be a burnout, there's gonna be music, there's gonna be a lot of good things going on over there. I think there's gonna be a contest of tacos también. You know, there's gonna be a bunch of taqueros out there. So I mean, I can't wait to go try the tacos and have a good time. So, allá vamos a andar. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for the vlog dropping of that show. And y'all can check out what we do out there with Draco, because we are going to be taking it into the donut pit. I know my boy Scarface is going to be out there as well. So we're going to be having some fun out there, guys. So that's the plan. Go out there, have some fun. Gonna finish getting everything loaded up. Tacos Y, all the merch, and the other trucks, as you guys seen, ya están ahí subidas. So the OG and Draco are ready to go. Trailer's already loaded up as well, as you guys can see. Mira. Tenemos todo el despapayo, the tents, the drip, tables, todo el pedo. La spare, no se me olvide la spare. Ah, chingo. I gotta put this one on. That's the actual wheel. Shit, so I'm riding on a spare. Ni me di cuenta. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Damn, what the hell? Ni me he dado cuenta. So I'm riding on a spare. I gotta change that wheel up. Para que sean todos los Racelines. Estos the same brand wheels we just did on the big trailer, but of course the ones on the other trailer are more heavy duty. These are just 6 lug. I think the other ones are 8 lug. We have to make sure these trailers are looking nice because they are pulling a bunch of weight and they're pulling some badass trucks. We want to make sure everything looks nice and clean. And like I said earlier, guys, huge shout out to El Cuz at JS Silva Trucking for taking our trucks from point A to point B on all of these shows. If you guys are looking to do something similar to the same, hit him up. We already had his info. I'm gonna put it again up here on the screen. Let him know you've seen him on Trokiando videos and then you want to get a quote on getting your trucks moved, equipment, any kind of cargo, anything that will fit on the 40-foot trailers. They can haul it, they can take it, and they'll make sure they take care of you. So huge shout out to them again. If you guys have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. We've reached our 10,000 subscriber goal. Now we're gonna go to hit 11,000. So we appreciate you guys if you would hit that subscribe button below, like the video, and let us know what you guys think in the comment section below. Now, the more you guys comment, the more these videos get pushed through YouTube. So we really appreciate the support. You gotta just do anything on there. Tacos Y, put what's up, how you doing. We like the content, we like the trucks. You know, when are you gonna change the spare wheel? Anything, guys, anything, saludazo, lo que sea, and we would appreciate that love. We would get this YouTube channel growing even more. So without you guys, we wouldn't be here. So that's why we're gonna continue to go, continue to grow, and continue to have fun with you guys and bring you along for the ride. So I know that in Georgia, guys. Y'all stay tuned for the next vlog, and peace.